Flavor is not just about what you add to your food. It is about when you add it during cooking. Most people add everything at the end of cooking. They think this will fix the taste instantly. But this creates a surface-level flavor only. It does not build depth inside the food. Real flavor develops step by step during cooking. Each stage adds something different to the result. If you add garlic too late, it stays sharp. If you add it earlier, it becomes deeper and sweeter. The same happens with spices and herbs. Timing changes how they behave in the pan. Some ingredients need heat to release flavor. Others lose their impact if cooked too long. This is why timing is critical in cooking. It controls how flavors develop and combine. Another mistake is adding everything together. This creates confusion instead of balance. Professional cooking is about layering flavors. Each layer builds complexity over time. Start with ingredients that need cooking. Then add those that need shorter exposure. Finish with elements that need freshness. This creates contrast and a more complete taste. Fat also plays a role in flavor timing. It helps carry and spread flavors evenly. Adding fat at the right moment changes everything. It allows ingredients to blend properly. Acidity is usually added at the end. It lifts the dish and balances heavier flavors. If you add it too early, it loses impact. Timing decides how strong the effect will be. Even salt behaves differently depending on timing. Early salt penetrates, late salt stays on the surface. Understanding this changes how you cook completely. You stop guessing and start controlling results. Your food becomes more balanced and more interesting. Each bite has depth instead of a single flat note. Cooking is not just about ingredients. It is about when and how you use them.